Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Google Play Games profile not loading. So my friends, the issues that are mostly occurring with basically with the Google services in general can easily be fixed by adjusting certain things in your phone and basically like clearing cache or uninstalling updates for the app. But mainly I would say the best suggestion I can give you is if you encounter any such issues, just open up the app. I'm not going to log in, I'm just going to show you how to basically fix the issues. So just let us go to the settings of the app, and basically if your profile is not loading, you can either try clearing the cache. If clearing the cache doesn't help, you can try clearing data. So what clear all data will do, it will basically erase all of the information that you've put into this app, so your account including, and then you can just use the usual login process and log in again into Google Play Games, and your issues should be fixed. And the last thing, of course, is you can also force stop it and try opening it again. So just force stop and then go to the app once again and see if it works again. And the last thing you can do is, of course, uninstall the app like that, and then just download it again and install it again. Guys, hopefully some of these fixes can help you. If they do and did, press like on the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.